really nice 2014 JCB 3C backhoe here. It's got a 4-in-1 split bucket in the front with a quick coupler. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's got cab with air conditioning. Got Extend-a-hoe in the back. There's your quick coupler. And all the lights work. This came from a municipality, a county. It's got a really nice 24-inch bucket in the back. Air conditioned stereo, 4-wheel drive. Got all the features you could want on it. It does have the standard backhoe controls in the back, not the pilot. Boy, this is a really nice machine here. Like I said, got 2 of these in from a county. This one only has 2,400 original hours on it for a 2014. Very well maintained. Very smooth. Boy, just a really nice JCB backhoe from the county. Hard to find them like this. Got 2 units, got one right there too that just came in. This one has a little bit lower hours on it. Four-wheel drive engages. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. Just a really nice backhoe. Nice machine. 2014 JCB 3C backhoe. 2,400 original hours, 4-wheel drive, 4-in-1 split bucket. Quick coupler on the front. Got Extend-a-hoe on the back with a 24-inch bucket. This is a county-owned machine, 1 of 2 units that just came in. Nice machine.